Hello everybody, we are going to look at how to make a drafting packet in this video. The purpose of a drafting packet is to lay out all the pieces of something that you want to make. So for example, if we've done the box assembly or something else that we've been working on, a drafting packet shows the dimensions of it, shows the different views, shows the different parts that make it up, so that if someone wanted to build this, they could see all the different plans for how to do that. So we're going to start by opening the actual assembly up. So find your project folder. Okay, and then you're going to find whichever folder you saved your assembly into. So if it's the box 1 assembly or a shelf assembly or something else. Okay, and this should have all the pieces for your assembly in there. So I have the top and bottom piece, the end piece, the side piece, and the actual assembly all in the same folder. Okay, so I'm going to open up the assembly. All right. Now we're going to go to File, and we're going to click on Make a New Drawing from Assembly. Remember, if the drafting packet shows all the different pieces, you want to be able to print it out. And so we need to make this a drawing so that it'll fit on, or it'll be flat on paper. So make drawing from assembly. Okay, first thing, if you remember back to doing drawings, is your sheet size. So we're going to do a custom sheet. So it'll start off like this. You need to click down on custom. Change this to 11 inches. And this to 8.5 inches. You need to make sure to type inches, otherwise it will be the wrong size. Click OK. Alright, that box will pop up on the side. Just click over in the gray area to get rid of that.